In a density experiment, I looked up values for density of oak and came up with 0.74, but to my horror, to my dismay, it was reported in 10 to the third kilograms per meter cubed. I wanted grams per cubic centimeter, grams per cc. So I did a dimensional analysis to try to see if this was the same. And so here's what I came up with. They gave the value of 0.74, and they said it was in the units of 1,000 kilograms per meter cubed. Well, a meter times a meter times a meter, that's a meter cubed. All right. I know that there are 1,000 grams in a kilogram, so that allows me to cancel the kilograms. Let's get rid of those. And I wanted centimeters on the bottom, remember? And I wanted that 3 times centimeters cubed, but I also needed to get rid of these individual meters. So I just simply said 1 meter is the same thing as 100 centimeters. I agree with that statement. 1 meter is the same thing as 100 centimeters. That cancels. 1 meter is the same thing as 100 centimeters. This cancels the meter. So now I have grams over centimeters multiplied by centimeters. That's grams per cc. I agree with that. That is grams, and I am writing with a mouse, so that's grams per centimeter cubed. Or as I would say, grams per cc. Let's see if this will do. All right, that will have to do for now. Now, the next big deal is to determine if this number, does it come out to be the same number? So here's what I did. I put this in my calculator. Let's do this. On, clear, clear, clear. And we are in degrees mode. 0.74 multiplied by 1,000 multiplied by 1,000, enter, and I got 740,000. You know that 1,000 times 1,000 is a million. That's a 10 to the 6. So 0.74 of that is 740,000. That makes sense. That sounds good. Now we're going to divide it next by 100. Divided by 100. Hit enter. I'm down to 7,400. Divide it by 100 again. Hit enter. I'm down to 74 divided by 100. I wind up with 0.74 grams per cubic cc. So this is the same thing. So when you see, oh, that's a mess. Let's try this again, mates. I am attempting to draw with a mouse. This is rather challenging. Here's our answer. And so we can see that this unit, 1,000 kilogram per meter cubed, is the same thing as a gram per cubic centimeter. Thank you for that.